Alright, thanks to YouTube user Carrier Productions, HVAC and more, I've come to film this 1969 Lennox or so, I think, and that's the age, heat pump in Katona, New York. There's two of these, and then there's Luxors. Would be nice if this one kicked on. I'm here with my friend right now. This one has a blanket over the compressor. And then here's this Luxor right here.
From the HP16s. Yeah. They're from like.
Whoops. Beasts. What? Just energy hogs.
Are these heat pumps?
Yes. It appears. Oh, that's nice and hot. Oh my god, that's like almost burning me. That's cool. It might. It's 45 degrees and raining right now. And yeah, the air comes out through here. Holy crap, it's cold. Can't tell if it defrosted because it's raining, but can you not? Yes! That sounds nice. It'll probably shut off like it did in his video. But yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, too bad about the Lennox logos, but all right.